Hi everybody, it's Dr. Turnquest-Rolle again, here this time to teach you all about subtraction. We're on to a completely and totally new topic, so I need you to pay very close attention. Did you bring your thinking caps with you today? Well, screw them on nice and tight, put on your seatbelts, and get ready for a ride. Are you ready? Here's your learning challenges for today. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to draw pictures to find the difference between two numbers, and you should also be able to determine the difference of two numbers by counting. Are you ready for this learning challenge? Tyrone read this. Mel caught 4 fish. She gave her pal 1 fish. How many fish does she have left? Then Tyrone drew this picture. What do you think this means? If you said that this means we are subtracting because we are giving something away, you are absolutely right. When we subtract, we take away from a group. Subtraction means to take away. We take away to find what is left. The word minus also means to take away. And later on, we're going to learn how to count back to find the difference. Think about what Tyrone read. Mel caught 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. She gave her pal 1 fish. That means she took 1 away. The big question of subtraction is, how many are left? So we want to know, how many fish does she have left? When we talk about this picture, we can say 4 take away 1 leaves 3. We can also say 4 subtract 1 is 3. But we want to use math language. Do you know if you try to use math language with your parents, they'll sometimes be lost? So that's the language we're going to use, okay? 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now we say the word minus because we want to be reminded of the operator under this yellow arrow that is called minus. And minus means to subtract or take away. Now, do you remember when I told you that I just love to sing? Well, I really do love to sing. And I want to sing to you the key words you're going to have to know when solving a subtraction problem. Are you ready? Subtraction key words, subtraction key words. Take away, take away. Subtract, subtract. Find the difference, find the difference. How many are left? How many are left? How many more? How many more? Subtraction key words, subtraction key words. Take away, take away. Subtract, subtract. Find the difference, find the difference. How many are left? How many are left? How many more? How many more? Subtraction keywords. Do you remember the subtraction keywords? They are take away, subtract, find the difference, how many are left, and how many more. If we look at this page, we see that they want us to find out how many are left, the big question of subtraction, for each group of pictures. So let's look at the first set of pictures, which are the beautiful butterflies. At the first set of pictures with the butterflies, it says 5 take away 1 leaves. It also says 5 minus 1 equals. We see that they've done the job for us and they put an X on one of the butterflies. Our job now is to see how many are left. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4 butterflies are left. Did you see how we did that? Let's try it with the apples. 7 take away 3 leaves, or 7 minus 3 equals. They've already put X's on 3 of them for us. Now our job is to count and see how many apples are left. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 apples are left. Let's do this third one together. 3 subtract 1 is, do you see how they changed up the words? 3 subtract, which means the same as take away or minus. 1 is, which means the same thing as the leaves or equals. When we look at the picture, they've put an X on one bird for us. So our job is to count the birds that have no X's on them. Let's do it together. 1, 2. 2 birds are left. Very good. Now the last one, they're trying to trick us. They put the X's all over the place, but they still answered the question 10 minus 4 equals. Minus means to take away or subtract. So what they did is they drew 4 X's on 4 ducks. Can you remember what we're supposed to do to find the difference or to find how many are left? If you answered count, you are absolutely right. Super counters, are you ready? Super counters, are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ducks are left. Give yourself a big kiss. On this page, in your math textbook, but that's at school, it's going to ask you to copy these number sentences and write the answers. So you can grab a piece of paper at this time, copy the number sentences, and we'll write the answers together. I'm going to give you some time now to get up, get a sheet of paper, and let's write these number sentences down. Go ahead. Are you back? Did you find your paper? Did you remember a pencil? All right. So I hope you're all set to go. Now, here's what you would write. On your sheet of paper, you would go ahead and write 6 minus 2 equals 6 minus 2 equals. Then they did the work for us. They put an X on 2 of the circles, and now our job is to count how many are left. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. Did you count 4 as well? Very good. Now, also on your sheet of paper, I want you to write this down. 5 minus 2 equals. Do you see what they did this time? They put an X on the 2 in the middle. So those have been taken away. Our job now is to count the ones without an X on them. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Did you count 3? Very good. Now, I'm going to do this third one with you, and then I'm going to give you some time to do the others on your own. You're going to write 6 minus 3 equals. Do you see where they put an X on 3 of them? So those are being taken away. Our job is to count to find out how many are left. 1, 2, 3. 3 are left. Now, I'm going to give you a very short time to see how many of those that are still on the screen that you can answer while I'm gone. Be sure to write as quickly as you can. Remember, count the ones that have no X on them. Do you think you can do it? Well, I know you can. Go ahead, copy these down, and write the difference. I'm back. Let's check to see how many did you get correct. At letter D, if you counted correctly, your answer should have been 4 because there are 4 circles left with no X's on them. At letter E, if you counted correctly, your answer should have been 1. Did you get a difference of 1? Very good. So you should have written the difference 1 because there's only 1 left without an X. Letter F, your difference should have been 6. Did you write 6? Well, you should have. If you counted all the circles without X's on them, your difference is 6. I want us to move on. Are you ready? Remember, this is your time to shine. Try some on your own. Follow the links below. Do you see the red word GAME? Well, by now, you should know that that word spells game. It's game time. Follow the link below to a site called Splash Learn. Here, you're going to work for a while through a subtraction game. Once you've done that for a bit, come back to this page, find the blue word that spells worksheet, find someone who can help you by printing your worksheet. Once you get your worksheet, you're going to subtract the objects based on the numbers that you see that come after the minus sign. Very good. And minus means to take away or subtract. We've learned all about that today. So, good luck, Smarty Pants, and see you next week.